In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can resize photo in Microsoft Paint. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Paint. Hit enter to open the Microsoft Paint, okay? So click on File and click on Open. And then open your photo as to where you have saved it. Okay, so once you have opened your photo, in order to resize this, you have to click on this option, Resize and Skew, or you can also press Ctrl and W together. Now you have here for percentage and you also have here for pixels. Now let's go with pixels, and you just need to simply click on this maintain aspect ratio, so you can change that from here. Now let's increase this to 400, and let's say this one is 300. So depending on your requirement and your preference. Now if I'm going to click on OK, and as you can see, the picture has been resized. Okay, you can also go back to pixels and then increase it to 500. Okay, and this one 400, and click on OK. And as you can see, the picture has been resized. It is bigger this time. Okay, so that's how you can resize a picture in your Microsoft Paint. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.